Okay, here we go. It is February, I think February the 22nd, and we are going to weld some spirals. I'm going to try to film it here better. I don't know what's going on with my filming, but hopefully this will show up a little better. And the big innovation here at the end of the 50 years of welding, I realized I could use the spirals as springs, which is a long story, but I won't go into it now. But just gonna cut some spirals. Only have about 10 sheets left, so this is gonna be the end of it. I hope I get some film. I should have filmed some more stuff, but I'm using this cheap GoPro. It's not a GoPro, that's not the name of it, but it's a Chinese knockoff, and this camera, I'm going to say, works pretty good. The sound is good. For whatever it was, 20, 30 bucks free shipping, it was like amazing. Unbelievable, considering I think I've spent, I don't know, a good couple thousand for a black and white video camera that weighed about 25 pounds back in the day being 1980, 79. So that was a flashback, what just happened, and that's not a good thing. You want to get it turned off right when that happens, because that's fire up inside the tip. But you've got flashback valves on the oxygen acetylene tank in case anything were to go back that far. That's a spiral. Let's see. I don't know. Is this filming? Let's put it up. I don't want it up too high. That's too high. I know. That. I'm going to go with this. I'm going to put it down a little bit more on that side. See how this looks. Hopefully. That's the thing, without some kind of a TV in front of me, something to see what's actually filming, I don't know until I put it to the computer and look at the video, and I'm just learning anyway. This is all new to me, filming anything really with these kind of cameras.